We order things from Temu! Yes, unboxing again. This is actually our... How many times we ordered from Temu? I forgot.
I don't know.
Like, look at this, guys. Since bago lang tayo lumipat, kakalipat lang natin, we still did a lot of things here. But, sa ngayon, most of the things I ordered is for our bedroom. And, of course, for our Arya Maisie dahil she is new in kindergarten.
And for my daddy is for the beard.
Yeah, we have here hair clippers. This is actually a gift for
daddy.
Yeah,
For my daddy. Her name's Angel.
Good news sa mga new users. We have a 100 euro coupon bundle for you. Just search in the Temu app. Go to the Temu app and search our coupon code in the search bar. Hair clippers. Wait. A nice hair clipper because it's like a little bit elegant. Look at the handle.
And there has gold in the bottom. Has gold in the bottom.
And this is for the hair. So we're gonna try this.
I thought this is for the beard and this is for the hair.
This is for the beard. This is for the hair. Should we try this, dear daddy?
No, my dad gonna try alone.
Alone. And we have another projector.
We have a lot of, Mama, we have a lot of projector. Why we buy so much?
But
now this is the fourth one.
Arya said that we already have projector, but I saw this in Temu, and this is more affordable, and I wanna try it if this is better than what we ordered. Ito yung laman ng box, the projector itself. We have here the F300 projector, and meron din po siyang remote control at itong kanyang manual, user manual, and charger, of course.
Is that Harry Potter? I saw Harry Potter.
The setup is very simple. Just plug it in, connect it to your phone, laptop, or USB stick, and you're ready to go.
Okay, let's turn on the YouTube.
We've been using it for movie nights and even for watching cartoons with my daughter.
Not too bad, nah? Go.
I was honestly surprised how bright and clear the picture looks for such an affordable projector.
1, 2, 3.
The sound is decent for small rooms, but if you want a real theater vibe, I recommend connecting a Bluetooth speaker. This is a budget-friendly projector to enjoy movies, YouTube, or family nights. The F300 projector from Temu.
We have here, my God, I've got a lot of boxes.
Yes.
Lunch.
I know that.
This is for my daughter.
I know that. This is for me. Do you know that? Let's go check it out. Mama, this is for the air. This is for the air. Do you know that I have already a lot of lunch boxes from Stitch?
Yeah. But
And this is for the air right here. And this is for holding. Look.
oh, that's cute. That's why I got it.
You could also hold it. And Mama, I need help.
Here, tight. Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. Ngayon ko lang nakita. May handle pala ito. Ah, so cute. Oh, what is it?
Look, we have like this. Do you know what's prettiest? I have also like
Wow.
fork and mesa spoon. And do you know what's the good part?
What?
Wow, another layer. Okay, now we have this thing. I don't know how it's called.
Panglinis for ito.
Mama,
This is for taking off the dust. I need it. Pagtanggal ng dust. Meron itong plastic na mataas. Yeah, and then you're gonna do like that. Wipe. But there's
now we have a big
Yeah.
Lunchbox or for the ice?
Yeah, for picnic like that, because I have a hard time sometimes like where to put everything, because we have a lot of small food, especially for Arya. She wants to have a lot of like pieces, like snacks, or what is this, finger food. Yeah.
Finger food?
Yeah, finger foods, like finger like that. So we have here, look at that, this
Fish sculpture?
yeah, something like that. So you can put here apple.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8.
8.
So
We can also take them off.
yeah, you can take it off like that. You can put something here, and you can put a lot of different kinds of
Whatever snacks you want.
and fruits like that.
Yeah, fruit,
Or-
snacks, watermelon, like, something like that.
Yeah, or sauce, you know, sauce.
Mama,
if there's
Mama,
a party or something.
Mama,
Yeah?
if you don't go picnic but you need a lot of hairbands and something like this, you can also.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh my God,
Yes,
she's a perfect
yes,
idea.
yes,
Very smart.
I'm a perfect.
We can also put like some pieces of hair clips, or what is this? Hair? Yeah, hair clips, something, or any like jewelries. Yeah, jewelries, or your toys, small toys here.
Yes.
Oh my God, you have a perfect idea.
Yeah, I have a perfect.
Oh, I have here. This is for matcha. Yeah. So I really love to drink matcha latte, and I have no
if you bring
equipment.
a lot of babies you wanna bring, then you can also use the baby clothes to put it there.
Oh,
I have a lot of ideas.
yes. She got. So we have here from Temu again.
Mama, they already know this is all from Temu.
Yeah.
But why you tell them that it's from Temu?
Sorry. I have a surprise for Tia, because
Yeah?
Tia is a really good sister.
Do you know her size?
Yes.
How do you know
And-
her size?
I know, she's my sister. So, Tia, in Tagalog, in English, auntie. So, we got here
For my auntie.
yeah, cook.
I wanna give it to Tia later.
Yeah, you see that?
Yes, I wanna
It
give
says here, auntie.
Oh no!
Yeah. So, Tia will try this later when she's home. So, this
She's
is...
Mama, maybe
Yeah, they cannot see you.
when we're gone, maybe Tia already comes.
Oh, I hope that she will come before we go. But yes, this is for Tia. So cute. There is auntie there. Best auntie.
Mama, when we're so late, you can just put that on her room,
Mhm.
and then she'll be.
Oh, wait.
Oh my gosh, is that for me?
Oh, I have here a very cute beddings.
Beddings, I really like that. It looks like we can also use this for picnic. It looks like, cause it looks like a basket of picnic.
Yeah, you're so smart, girl.
And now,
oh, you saw it.
no, I didn't saw yet. I didn't saw.
Oh my
I
God.
didn't saw yet.
This is also for you, love. Actually, my dream is that Arya, that she got her
Is
own
this
room.
Stitch? I want Stitch.
Yeah, I
He's
know you love Stitch.
Stitchy.
That's why. This is for you. This is another bed sheet.
Yay! Stitch is
Yeah, look
Stitchy.
at that.
Timo products.
And we also have curtain now. At last, we have curtains already in our bedroom.
Yes, just
Like this.
so. It's for the also like for the bees. It's like boom.
So the bees will not go inside to our bedroom. I also ordered a kitchen towel because our towel is already old and it's not really like, alam niyo yung kumukuha ng water. This is better, guys. You know, you can see directly.
Hello guys.
This is now the bed sheet from Timo. And look at that, so cute. It's color pink.
Oh no.
Ito po yung ni-choose ko because of Arya. Yan! This is normally for summer. Ayan, kasi medyo manipis siya. But since we have like, ano tawag dito?
The fluffy pillow.
Yeah, the fluffy pillow. So it's okay to use these bed sheets for now because Arya loves color
Pink.
But you can choose any color, any designs. They have a lot of designs, but I really love design. That's why I choose this. And we also have another design. It's Arya's favorite cartoon character.
And you can choose any color. Red, blue, yellow, something like that.
Yeah.
And wait, it's a Stitch! Yay!
Yes.
And I got look how much Stitch I got.
It's also bedsheet from Timo.
This one, this Stitch, and I have one of this from Angel, and one of the Stitch.
So ayan po yan.
And
Ito po yung bedsheets ng
I got the Angel, I guess.
since it's cold time here in Germany and it's autumn
It's
time.
like a clothes.
And it's almost winter. So we're gonna put here, Arya. Para hindi po siya ma-slide, tingnan niyo po yung likod niya. Ayan, meron siya po siyang pang stopper ng sliding. Okay, we try now. All over from Timo. Ang ganda niya kapag parisan mo siya ng boots. Tapos ganito na skirt. Nakaka-teenager, nakakabata. Minsan kasi mahirap mag-fashion kapag malamig kasi dapat balot na balot ka. Ang cute na design niya, oh, parang lilipad. Joke. Makahanap ka ng mga cute, mga hindi common na fashion, mga design sa Timo. And meron pa tayong dalawa na pullover. Another pullover from Timo ulit. Cute niya, oh. Anong tawag niya? Gansilyo. Yan, parang meron siyang gansilyo. Ang cute! Diba? Pwede kang mag-fashion kahit malamig. And then another one. Ayan. Diba? If meron pong sira or maliit sa inyo, malaki, pwede nyo po siyang ibalik. You have 90 days to return the product of Timo and mabalik din po ang pera nyo. Or gusto mo mag-order ng iba, pwede din po yun. Another t-shirt from Timo. Ayan, this is also for cold weather because ano siya, medyo makapal po siya. At maganda din po yung kanyang design. Gusto nyo pong mag-order ng mga gamit sa Timo, I would suggest to download the app. Just search the app Timo and download it and you will get more discounts. As a mom who is raising my daughter alone, I want to save money as much as I can. But I also like my daughter to have a very nice clothes, good looking, and you know, something like fashion and style. Anything that you need at home or even in office or school supplies, you can get everything in Timo. Again, don't forget to use our code 100 euro coupon bundle to get discount in Timo app. Just put in the search bar para maka-discount kayo. Our discount code DZS9227. Lahat po ng link kung saan po kayo maka-discount, go to our description down below sa video na to and enjoy your 100 euro coupon bundle from Timo. Thank you for watching and thank you, Timo!
Peace.
Good morning, maayong buntag. Today is Saturday, November 8. Alas 9 ng umaga. Oh my God. Sige lang, late tayo nagising at late tayong maglihok-lihok magawa ng ating breakfast. Kay Saturday man. So, hinayaan ko si Ari na matulog ng matagal. At syempre ako na rin kay walang pasok. So, it's our free day today. Pero kahit free day, yung mga nanay, marami pa rin gawain, di ba? Kailangan natin magluto. Pero ng breakfast, ay grabe ang labas, oh. Sus, kung kanina pa to. Kung kanina pa tayo nag-start, wala tayong makikita sa labas. Kasi, grabe yung fog. Fogging. Ay, flex ko lang pala yung ating apron. Ayan, bagong-bago po ito. Nabili ko sa TK Maxx. Ayan, kahapon with Arya. Kasi kailangan natin mag-apron. Kaya minsan magluto tayo. Tapos, katulad nito, white yung ating suot. Tingnan niyo po, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo yung labas natin. Ayan siya. Buksan para mas klaro. Ayan. Oh. Grabe ka, frog. Grabe ka, frog. Ay. Ang una kong gagawin, magluto tayo ng rice. Tapos, yung proper breakfast na sabi ni Ariana, bread lang. At itlog. Tapos, sausage, as always. And, meron tayong prutas. Mamaya po mag-cupcake tayo. Lalagyan natin ito. Ang tagal lang hindi na ako naka-bake. So, mag-bake tayo ulit. Ay, bibili pala ako ng lagayan ng cupcake. Wala pala akong nabili. Uy. Ayan, tapos na yung bread ni Aria. Baby, I'm here. Wait lang ga. Anak ko, tawag ng tawag. Ito na po yung breakfast ni Aria Maisie. Making your breakfast. It's almost done. At ang the rest ay lalagay po natin ito sa ating cupcake. Meron din po tayo ditong ginger tea. Kaya alam niyo ba, dito sa Germany, sa kasalukuyan, sa kasalukuyan, oh my God, you need to wash your hand. Here's baby. Hi, good morning! Good morning! Naglaro agad siya ng slime. Ngayon po kasi dahil tinglamig po dito sa Germany, alam niyo, ang daming nagkakasakit, pati yung mga anak ko. Pero sabi ko na ako, na-share ko na kahapon. Ang nagkasakit lang ay si Nathan, si Chloe, si Talin. So, ito na po yung ating, nagkakaroon kong ilagay yung ating lemon. Maganda kasi kapag merong skin. Ito po kasi lahat ng vitamins. And we have a very fresh ginger lemon tea. And takpatan natin ito. Takpan natin. So, ang inumin ni Aria ay cacao and tea. Ibabad ko lang sa tubig kasi yung gatas kasi minsan kapag nagdodry, tumitigas. So, prepare na yung breakfast niya. So, for the tea. Yan. Ito yung breakfast ng anak ko. Yan na yung breakfast ni Aria at mag-open na tayo ng ating roller. Okay. Alas 9 na, Diyos ko. Hanggang yan, naka-close pa din. Tingnan natin yung weather sa labas. 9 AM Saturday dito sa Germany. May araw naman. Maganda naman yung araw. But it's not really shining. Foggy-foggy pa din. Fog ang labas.
Yummy blueberries. Mama, actually the blueberries it's my favorite food.
I know. Hi guys. Nag-change para siya ng damit. Oops. Sorry. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so itchy.
Yeah, because you need the lotion na. Your skin is super dry. Oh my God. Super dry. You need the lotion today. Your hair is so messy. And let's have some breakfast.
Yes.
Why yes?
Because I love scrambled egg, blueberries, hot and sausage.
So you should have, oh my God, you have 2 drinks. Cacao and tea. Should I put some honey in your tea? So here.
No, it's okay.
Cacao.
Let's have some breakfast, guys. Is this actually your clothes?
No, that's yours.
Oh.
It will not fit to me. So, kain tayo. Let's eat. And have a nice day, everyone. You see your half. Wait, I'm gonna put it.
Okay, then I'm doing like this. Mama, where's the Jaira?
Sleeping.
Oh, I forgot. I see
You miss
about
your
it.
tia?
Huh?
You miss your tia?
Yeah. Yeah.
And here's your hand, yeah? And I want the best for my daughter.
Yummy, yummy. I love sausage.
Yeah.
I said with rice.
Oh, the rice is still cooking.
Oh,
Don't worry, yeah? I'm gonna get some rice.
I love sausage. So
You
much.
drink cacao. Wait, I put like this here. So,
And my tea.
actually, it's not yet there. Should I put now?
Yeah.
So sit properly. Wait. Careful, yeah? It is a little hot. So, good appetite, my love. I love you very much. And have a nice day today. And thank you, Lord, for the life of my daughter and the life of my sons, Pipe and Nathan.
But, and Chloe.
And baby Chloe, too.
It's still small, Chloe is. But she can walk.
She can walk, yeah.
Look at how I just take off the skin. It's more better without skin. That's why it's so good. Wait, perfect idea. Let's put the scrambled egg on top of the sausage. So good. You must better try it. So good. If you don't like scrambled egg or sausage, then don't do it. I got blueberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Blueberries inside the raspberries. Such a great idea. Let's put another one, but tiny. These. With blueberries only, it tastes so good. You have two eyes like this one or like this. This will be the sunglasses. This will be the smile of the toast bird. I need the nose for the toast bird. I need a little bit cheeks. This is so cute. Wait, this could be the hair.
Playing?
No, I'm not. How big that plate is. How big?
Yeah, so you can put everything here. I don't need to put back and forth.
Mama.
There's something.
We will see you in a few minutes. Bye. Peace.
Tapos na po tayong mag-breakfast. Tapos na si Arya. Nagpahinga lang ako sa baba kasi marami pa tayong gagawin ng gawaing bahay. Sinilip ko, ginuo ko na sa labas ang dalawa. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung dalawa dyan. At yung anak ko, walang jacket. Kaya kumuha ko ng pullover or hoodie. Yung suot niya kahapon.
Mommy.
Oh my God.
That's Dean's. Oh no, that's
No, that's yours. You need to wear that. It's very cold. Uy, very good lang ito siya.
Mama.
Bumabawi.
Mama, I did this all.
Oh! Arya pala is doing that one, not Tia. Jai, no, I will give you the other thing. Yeah? Since you are here.
For the first entire time.
For the first entire time daw, sabi niya. The first time naglinis si Tia dito sa labas. Bibigyan kita ng, better dyan. Wag mo yung gamitin. Better na magamit ka ng, pangtanggal na Ang ganun ba? Ang tawag niyan? Uy, hindi. Yung machine ba? Tanggalin na ito. Oh.
Sige.
Okay. Ibibigay ko sa'yo kasi yun, pang lalaki talaga yun na work. Di ba gusto mo maging lalaki? Nag-iinis mo siya kasi meron para siyang ka-chat or ka-video call. Parang nagpapaano lang siya sa nagpapakitang gilas sa kanyang.
Nagpapakitang gilas lang daw ako sa iyo.
Oh, kaya pala nag-inis siya, no? Ang sino to? Shout out, be. Ay, barka. Hi.
Nagpatik-atik lang na siya.
Oh, di ba? Ay, ito pala yan siya. Ay, ngit-ngit. Madilim. Okay,
Madilim na sa Pinas.
Pa-charger lang na siya. Ay, charger lang siya. Kaya meron pala siyang ka-chat. Ito talaga. Hulam. Ito talaga mabait. The reality of life. Hindi, mabait naman talaga yung kapatid ko. Pagtulog. Ay, huy! Ang bagong, ano niya, shoes, house shoe, ginamit. I will give you the other shoe, my God. Pero pareho pala kami. Nasa labas kami, pero yung house shoe namin. Okay, I will give it to you, yeah? Yung ano, yung machine.
Mama,
Wait, I will give you another.
I did.
Hmm?
Look how much I did.
I put the camera here, okay?
Mama,
Yeah.
how much I did.
Oh, yeah. Wow, good job. I put the camera here, okay? Ay, di ko lang makita. Yan. Klaro kayo? Jay, oh. O, pag chika-chika mo di ha. I will give you the other shoes. Inuo ko ng bata na to. Pareho pala kami ba? Same ng shoes na. Ang bahay.
Guys, alam nyo guys, ang ganda ng ano dito, sun. Tapos alam nyo, pag lalabas ang sun dito, lalabas talaga lahat na yung mga tao na yan. Kasi alam nyo, madilim kasi palagi dito, no? Tapos, akala ko kasi pag malamig, maganda pa rin yung ano, ganito ba, malamig, pero ganito.
Okay, please
Ganito
hold
yung
it
gusto ko. Ganito yung gusto ko. Hoy! Oh! 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 Uy! Ay! Hi! No! No, did you? No, dear. Kasi akala ko dati guys, pag malamig, maganda din yung ano ba, yung weather pa rin, tapos ganito. Pero normally pala, malamig siya, tapos madilim. Kahit 12 pa no, buti nga ngayon, ang ganda ng araw, may araw. Tapos kaya ayun, nalaman ko din pala na ano, kung ikat niyo yan ha. Nalaman ko din na mga tao dito medyo like prone sila sa depression kasi walang sun dito. Kasi di ba need natin ng vitamin C. Tapos ayun, kaya prone yung mga tao dito ng depression. Kaya ayun, pag may sun, para talaga siyang gold dito sa Germany or sa banda ng Europe. Pag may sun, labas talaga yung mga tao para magpapaaraw o ganito o ganyan ako. Kasi, baka bukas, wala na namang sun, pero meron sana. Pero taglamig na kasi, kaya madilim na. Naka-record na to? Oh, naka-record yan. Kaya, ayun. Pero, may secret ako sa inyo, guys. Bukas na naman, kakabalik ko lang dito, galing sa Vienna. Bukas na naman, mag-Amsterdam na naman ako. Mag-try ako mag-vlog, guys, para tignan nyo doon yung mga, ano nangyari sa buhay ko.
Oh my God. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kakabili lang. Super dumi na. Di ba?
Sorry, machine.
Why are you wearing this one? Na. Yeah, you change. Na? You need to change. Yan. Yeah, that one. It's okay if you wear that. You can use it for outside, okay?
Which one?
That one. The plastic, what is that?
The stick.
How we call that?
We also,
Hmm?
Alessandro
Crocs?
is going to sleep here.
Crocs?
Yeah, your Crocs. Yeah. You can wear it
Dito
outside.
matulog si ano ba? Si Alessandro.
Kailan?
Mamaya. Kasi, bukas na kami yung punta ng Amsterdam.
Uy, mag-Amsterdam para itong bat. Tingnan mo nga siya, oh. Kagagala lang. Alis na. Oh.
Uy, tapos, wala na talaga.
Good job, baby ko. Ay, isang dahilan pala. Kaya pala siya naglilinis. Ngayon ko lang nalaman.
Wala, hindi naman pala pupunta dito.
Yeah.
Mamaya palang gabi, may darating. Laka. Diyos ko.
Wow! Oh!
Sino yun? Pwede ba siya masali sa vlog mamaya?
No, one half.
Ano sa vlog siya?
Ay, pakilala namin sa inyo yung... Manugang. Ay, ano tawag niyan?
Uy, wow!
Brother-in-law. May maniligaw na po siya. gusto niya po talaga maging lalaki, pero mostly sa mga naniligaw niya dito, mga afam ay mga lalaki. So, may possibility na maging babae pa din siya. I'm so excited. May pamangkin na ako na half-half.
Pero bakit kaya kahit alam nilang masculine ba?
Uy, okay na. Uy, mag-half ka na ba? Uy, okay na talaga sa akin. I am so excited for my pamangkin na may pamangkin ako.
Para ko si mama. Sabi ni mama ba na
Ano sabi ni mama?
Bahala na, magpabuntis ka, tapos maghiwalay kayo, basta magkaanak ka lang ng isa. Ano ba pinagsasabi mo dyan?
Uy, sige na ba? Gusto ko talaga yung kapatid ko magkaroon siya na anak na afam, half-half.
Pwede, sabi ko sa kanya, kung magkaanak man lang ako, yung asawa ko yung magbubuntis.
Ay! Uy, sana mo na. Hindi siya very seryoso. O, sa'yo bata. Huwag mo nang kunin to dito kay ay, basta mo na siya. Uy, matanggal man yan sa Wait, kunin ko yan. Dito lang siya. Diyan, nilisan nyo. Dito, matanggal siya sa machine. So, kunin ko na yung machine, ha? Ito lang kayo, guys.
Ay, vacuum nga, Dako?
Dili, patanggal siya dahon, pero matanggal gyapon ni siya sa labas. Uy, baby ko.